you're looking to test your order form. You got your first funnel up in Go HighLevel, and you're wondering, how do I test the form, the order form, test the funnel, the entire funnel without having to purchase my own product? In this video, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of my latest program, the AI brand photo shoot. So here we are. This is the website. So if you're looking to join my workshop, I'm doing it live every week this month here, depending on when you're watching this video. If you don't see a date on here, it may be on demand by then, and the price might actually have increased. But I wanted to show you this funnel behind the scenes. So this is simply what you are going to get. I've been really having a lot of fun teaching people how to create brand wow, stand out, turning heads, stunning, scroll stopping pictures for your brand. And so we have a little order form right here. It's a two-step order form. And there we go, right? So on the back end, when you create a funnel like this, inside here, the order form is there. And before you, well, after you created the entire funnel there on the front end, on the back end, the caveat, the weird thing about HighLevel is that the products are, you never would know unless you, I'm pointing it out to you right here under products is where you're going to add the product here. So I'm not going to go into the details on like setting up this whole funnel, but I wanted to show you how to test it. So I'm just kind of quickly going over some of the basics here, but over here under settings, you're going to go to the top here, and on the back end here, you're going to make sure to turn this off from live to the test mode, and then go ahead and save that. Make sure to always save, right? So I'm going to go ahead and leave it. But I also wanted to share with you that after you turn it off, the payment mode to test and save it, you can simply go to your site. I've actually connected the domain too. So that's another step that you have to do if you didn't do it, to do that part yet, if you haven't got that far. But at this point, let's just say I turned it on to the test mode. So let's say we turned it on to the test mode, and you go down to the order form, you fill out the information, and then you go ahead and get to the second part, which is entering the credit card number. The credit card, this is universal with Stripe and any payment processors. The credit card number is 424242 all the way across. And the expiration date, of course, you can pick any expiration date past the date that the current month and the year that you current are. So it could be like 12, 20, 26. And then you put any CVC code. Once you submit that with this universal like test card number, it'll go through. And if you have your workflows and automations on the back end kick off, you will see all of those things get, in the workflow and be attached if it was done right on the back end of all the things that need to be delivered after someone purchases. All right. So that is it. If you have any other questions, let me know, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.